Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, I'm back at my regular desk here in New Jersey. I've been in Florida for the last week, so hopefully the sound quality and everything is a little bit better on the videos. Okay, this is a zoomed out version of the daily chart because I just want to, let's zoom out and then we'll zoom in. From 30,000 feet. We're still in an uptrend here. We've gone from 1340 up to 1705, well to 1685, pulling back to the 38% retracement, up to make new highs, and we pulled back again. Not to the 23% retracement, but pretty close. And the issue is, what are we going to do now? So as we zoom in a little bit, I mean, anybody with two eyes can see that the 1669 to 1670 level is going to be a pretty big deal. I'm very leery of the trade today, and I will tell you why. The candle that we put in on Friday, huge up, huge down, closed right in the middle, closed right on the middle band. I was telling my subscribers last night, this is a market situation where the bulls and the bears, at least portions of both camps, are pretty wounded. They're very wounded. They're very leery of what the market's going to do, and it sets up a potential trend day because if the market swings in one direction or the other side is going to bail because they're not going to want to get hurt again like they did on Friday. Let's tighten up a look at a 5-minute chart. Okay, which I'm going to turn into a 15-minute chart because I want to impress upon you what happened on Friday. So here is your jobs report. We get the jiggle on jobs. Things are going along okay. Then we get these comments out of Putin with regard to Syria. I mentioned this because I don't think this is going to be the last set of comments we get regarding Syria at all. And there's something that I've always used in the chat room. The term is called headline minefield. And that means you need to be careful because we are walking through a headline minefield and you never know which one is going to get stepped on and go off. And it can go higher or it can go lower. In this case, it was Putin, at the G20 saying something that after 3 translations and getting spun out on cable news made it sound like the Russians were really going to stand with the Syrians. And that pushed the market down significantly. It pushed us down to, as far as we were concerned, we were short the failure to get back through the jobs high. I mentioned the short 62, and I mentioned the high range from jobs during the webcast on Friday was up at 64. We didn't get through it, and it set up just a magnificent short. Now, where did it stop? Where did the market stop? 1638.75, a tick short of our lower level for the day. That's based upon the regular trading hours opening range. Now, I thought we were going to bounce. I didn't think we were going to do that. I did not think we were going to round trip it. And I don't think a lot of other people did too, because people started to short it and throw contracts at it and squeezed it and moved and we ripped higher. So, there was an outstanding long there from the lower level. We get up to the upper level to 64, and we can't do 64.75. Again, that's our upper level. We do an upper level and a lower level for people every day. Failed, and then you saw a push lower into the close. Bears are still controlling closes. You have to note that. And we've basically been trading flat in the overnight. So what do we know? We know the bears are controlling closes. We know that they really can't give much more ground than they've already given. That 64 has got to stay good as resistance. That the battle of today and the battle of the intermediate trade here, I would argue, is 52.53. Let me go back to the daily. 52.53, which is the area of not only the middle band now, but the 50-day exponential moving average. These areas need to stay good. So those are some areas to look at today. We're really in no man's land. Really in no man's land. You have to watch and see how this trades. You have to watch 64 overhead. You have to watch 53 underneath, and then you have to watch 47. Okay? Expect some more volatility, and expect some more headlines out of Syria. There's no econ today at all, and that's the playing field. Should be a very interesting Monday. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com. Follow me at Twitter at Princetontrader. Check out the website. Check out the chat room, guys. You saw those levels. We do those. We do those every day. They set up some magnificent trades for people, and I like to teach traders. It's what I do. So if your chat room isn't giving you what you're looking for, I would just respectfully request you come on in and give us a try for a couple of weeks. No money down. Just come check it out. And I will be back tonight. We'll restart the evening recaps tonight, now that we're back in a regular market week. And I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. We're doing a webinar September the 18th on swing trading. I hope you can come by and check it out. The sign-up is attached to this link. And I will check everybody out tonight and tomorrow morning. Trade them well.